Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to enable editing in PowerPoint presentation. So guys, if you are wondering or if you just downloaded a PowerPoint into your computer and it is only on a view mode, what you could try to do is, of course, you could just simply select open over here on the left side and just simply go for this PC and just simply select your PowerPoint. Now, once you are on your PowerPoint and you have selected it, as you can see, you will have an option right here, enable editing right away. Currently, it is protected view, but in order for you to edit it or turn on the editing mode, select enable edit, and you should be able to edit it out element by element. Now, another option that you have is you could just simply go ahead and go for the info over here on the left side, and you will have an option over here, protect presentation. So make sure you do not select the always open or read only, because sometimes you will have this turned on. That's why you will have that issue. So make sure this is not selected and you won't have any problems moving forward. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.